This 2021 Alliance RV Valor 42V13 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Alliance RV is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 7, smoke detector, LP detector, external shower, skylight, awning, air conditioning, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, stove-top burner, water heater, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Alliance RV Valor 42V13 is 16,064 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.